We will show you how you can build your own Web3 decentralized app on the Autonomy platform, any kind of app. We all use software and apps every day, for every aspect of our life, our private, our social, work, or business life. And there's also another special category of apps, those linked to hardware, to devices. They monitor and control machines. All of these apps are proprietary, centralized, and collect your data for their own monetization. So your information does not belong to you, but to them. It's their product. Even worse, the infrastructure on which all these apps run is also provided by monopolistic companies battling for your data. Those cluttered applications are obviously not designed to work together. They are in competition, so they are developed vertically, in silos. But all those complex applications can be broken down into common modules, like text messaging, video calls, data storage, and so on. Each company develops its own building blocks from scratch. WhatsApp audio is not the same as Telegram audio. There's no composability. But what if we could develop each feature only once, then configure them in different apps, simple modules in complex configurations, so that anyone could build their own app? Even better, decentralized Web3 native on-chain, a dApp where all your data belongs to you. It is stored privately and becomes immutable and secure through the blockchain. Imagine describing the app you need to an AI agent. Then this agent would configure your bespoke app from a library of building blocks. Those building blocks would then connect to each other through special interfaces provided by the platform. Let's say you want to build your own decentralized, safe WhatsApp. You describe it to the AI configurator, and there you have it. Audio, video, groups, etc. What if you also need to send money to your peers 100% safe on-chain? No problem. Prompt the AI generator, and it will add a wallet, and you can start making transactions. Your own Zoom, Slack, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. The good news is that we finally have the technology to make this architecture possible in a completely safe environment. It's called the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP. So all we need now is those building blocks and a fabric to link them together, deploy them, and make the result available to everyone. And this is precisely what Autonomy is doing. But what about those apps linked to hardware? Apps monitoring and controlling hardware devices, machines, a drone, a 3D printer, or a vacuum cleaner. We would need some kind of a bridge between your app and those machines, a bridge that can integrate the proprietary hardware with the Autonomy platform and lets you control it with your own app. So we created Alvin. Alvin is a software that gives autonomy to machines. It's kind of an avatar or persona, so you can communicate with them in natural language. Alvin can be installed on a range of general-purpose devices, like smartphone, laptop, workstations, or on dedicated devices that you can buy or build on your own. We call them Alvin boxes. Alvin can also be embedded in stationary or mobile mechatronic devices. The Autonomy platform will provide an AI agent, Dappster, who's assisting you in building your own bespoke dApp. It enables you to create bespoke Web3 applications from reusable building blocks. You describe what you need, and Dappster assembles those Lego-like modules for you, whether it's secure messaging or a tool that controls real-world hardware through Alvin. The platform can also host community-made AI agents, maybe yours. So please join Autonomy and start building with us. Your description, your dApp, your deploy.